Hi folks, I'm Ron from Tigertown. I'm alive, I'm alert, and I feel great, and I appreciate that you did a search for how to select a proper pocket reading magnifier. And I have here with me today Dr. Mike Colby, who can take it from here. Have a listen.
My name is Dr. Mike Ruby. I'm an optometrist on Nantucket, and the folks at Lightwedge have asked me to help clarify some of the factors involved in selecting magnifiers. As we get older, our focusing system loses its ability to focus, and we also need magnifiers for just general reading tasks. One of the most important facts to understand is that there are specific magnifiers that are much more effective depending on the specific task that you want to use them for. Certain tasks are going to need more magnification. Certain tasks are going to need less magnification. Task magnifiers are relatively low powered. Low magnification means a larger field of view, so they're a little bit easier to work with. But as we get up into finer detail needs, we typically need to increase the magnification, which thereby reduces our field of vision. Some of the magnifier systems that have lighting incorporated into the unit can be wonderfully helpful. So we need to find a happy medium between the amount of magnification and a large enough field of view to be able to pick up the detail that you need to see. The combination of magnification and illumination can be wonderfully helpful in certain circumstances where the lighting is relatively poor, such as your favorite romantic restaurant. Some of the smaller handheld portable magnifiers with LED illumination are wonderfully helpful for these quick moments of reading a menu. They slip easily in and out of your pocket and are relatively convenient to carry. I hope this information has helped to clarify some of the points of selecting a magnifier so you can choose the proper magnifier to satisfy your needs.
Well, that was quite illuminating, pardon the pun. I actually have found that this company, that Advanced Comfort Lightwedge, apparently is out of business, and I've acquired a certain amount of pocket magnifiers that they produced. And if you look in the description below the video, it'll give you a link to my Amazon page where I have some pocket magnifiers, very same pocket magnifier for sale. So if you're interested, give a look. And thanks for listening. I really appreciate it. I like helping people quench their thirst for knowledge. I hope, and if I've done something of value in this video, please give me a thumbs up on it below in the description, and that's where you can find the link to my Amazon. Bye for now. Thank you very much.